Topping our news tonight, if you are thinking about renting out your home for some extra cash, you might want to check your insurance policy first. With short-term rentals on the rise here in Idaho, tonight CBS 2's Alexis Goree is explaining how damage from renters can really cost you.
And in today's sharing economy, renting out a room or your entire home has become a popular side hustle, as some people call it, through apps like Airbnb. But I'm told before you go listing your property, there's some steps you should take. Providing a home away from home while earning cash. It's a side business a lot of people are trying to get their hands on, but it's not as easy as just listing your property. Northwest Insurance President Kenton Bryan says you have to get the right insurance.
It's very true that a standard homeowner's insurance policy or your own renter's policy, if you're renting a place, is not going to provide coverage for you if you are in turn renting that space out to others for money on a regular basis.
That's, of course, after checking city restrictions on short-term rentals. Is it approved by the city? Do you live on the same property as the rental? These are just a few amendments Boise Mayor Dave Beater recently proposed. But through apps like Airbnb, one may assume they are covered with the host protection policy.
Well, here's the problem with that. If you contact your insurer after the fact and say, I've had this damage to my home and I have to file a claim, your insurer may come back and say, yes, well, we don't cover the business use of your property. That has to be a separate policy.
Not every coverage applies to every situation. So to avoid wasted time filing a claim, Bryan says make that call before.
Well, you don't want to find that out after you've had something happen that you're not covered for that.
If you are currently or considering using your home to make some extra money, Bryan suggests talking to your insurance company now to understand your risk and options before the damage is done. Live in the studio, Alexis Goree, CBS 2 News.